Today we're installing the RVLock Trek. This is compatible with most towable trailers. Let's get started. We will begin to remove your original handle. There should be 3 to 4 mounting screws that will easily remove. Then you can pop off the back plate. Take off the screws and striker plate from the door. Once all screws are removed, you should be able to slide the handle out from the door frame. Now it's time to install your RVLock Trek. Your handle will arrive with 1 screw pre-installed. Remove the screw using the provided hex nut screwdriver. Take the exterior portion and slide it into the door frame. Inside of your hardware packet, you will find a striker plate and 2 machine screws. Place the striker plate on your door. If the screw is not properly aligning to the shaft, you may need to adjust the handle up or down. We will take the cable from the back portion and plug it in. It will click into place and you will hear the welcome chime. Carefully tuck the cables and make sure that the tooth from the interior portion catches into the groove on the front. Install all 4 mounting screws. Be sure that they are secure but not over tightened. Once the screws are installed, test the front and the back paddle to make sure everything is aligned. There are 2 door jamb plates. Use the standard unless you have a significant gap between your door frame and your door. If that's the case, try option B. Here are the features on the inside portion of your handle. Interior lock and unlock button, volume control, and the charging port. The handle will verbally notify you when it's running low. Depending on usage, it should last you about 3 to 6 months. A full charge takes about 2 hours. You'll see the flashing light turn to solid when it's fully charged, and the manual deadbolt switch. Let's set up your code. Using a small tool, press and hold the learn button until the handle verbally responds. You will then enter in your new code and press the lock symbol. Then do it again. Enter in your new code and press lock. A confirmation chime will state that the code has been accepted. The handle will unlock once the last number of your code has been pressed. To lock your handle, simply hold down the lock symbol. It's time to set up your fob. There are 2 sets of buttons. Make sure to program both of them. If you have an additional RVLock product, you can connect it to the same fob using the other set of buttons. Quickly press and release the learn button on the interior side of the handle using a small tool. Then press the lock symbol on the button you want to connect it to until the handle confirms connection. If you want to connect the second set of buttons, we'll repeat the process. 1 quick press on the learn button, then press lock on the button that you want to connect it to. The panic button at the top of the fob will set off an alert tone when held down. And finally, let's sync your Bluetooth. The Trek is already equipped with Bluetooth programming. Open the RVLock app, press the plus sign in the corner, and add new device. On your handle, press and hold the volume up and down button simultaneously until you can select the device on the Bluetooth screen. Once connected, you can lock and unlock your handle with the press of a button. Great work! Your RVLock Trek keyless handle is now installed. Feel free to reach out to our customer support if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the road!